Here are 10 healthy morning breakfast recipes to kickstart your day with energy and nutrition. Tips: use plant-based milk or yogurt for vegan options. Swap honey for maple syrup if vegan. Add nuts/seeds for extra crunch and healthy fats. 1. Overnight oats. Ingredients: rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, Greek yogurt, berries, nuts. Method: mix oats, chia seeds, yogurt, and milk in a jar. Refrigerate overnight. Top with fresh fruit and nuts. Why? High in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Second, avocado toast with egg. Ingredients: whole grain toast, avocado, poached egg, chili flakes, lemon juice. Method: mash avocado on toast, add egg, and season. Why? Combines healthy fats, protein, and complex carbs. Third, green smoothie bowl. Ingredients: spinach, frozen banana, protein powder, almond milk, oats. Toppings: granola, coconut. Method: blend all ingredients until smooth. Add toppings. Why? Packed with vitamins, protein, and fiber. Four, Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: low-sugar granola, Greek yogurt, mixed berries, honey. Method: layer yogurt, granola, and berries. Drizzle with honey. Why? High protein and antioxidants. Five, Veggie Egg Muffins. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, feta. Method: whisk eggs, mix with veggies, bake in a muffin tin. Why? Portable, protein-rich, and veggie-packed. Six, chia seed pudding. Ingredients: chia seeds, coconut milk, vanilla extract, mango. Method: mix chia seeds with milk and vanilla. Refrigerate 4+ hours. Top with mango. Why? Omega-3s, fiber, and vegan-friendly. Seven, whole grain banana pancakes. Ingredients: whole wheat flour, mashed banana, egg, baking powder, berries. Method: mix ingredients, cook on a griddle. Top with fruit. Why? Fiber-rich and naturally sweetened. Eight, cottage cheese bowl. Ingredients: cottage cheese, pineapple, walnuts, flax seeds, whole grain toast. Method: top cottage cheese with fruit, nuts, and seeds. Serve with toast. Why? High calcium and protein. Nine, breakfast quinoa. Ingredients: cooked quinoa, almond milk, almonds, apple, cinnamon. Method: heat quinoa with milk, top with fruit and nuts. Why? Gluten-free, protein-packed alternative to oatmeal. Ten, sweet potato toast. Ingredients: sliced sweet potato, almond butter, banana. Cinnamon. Method: toast sweet potato slices, spread with almond butter, and top with banana. Why? Vitamin A rich and gluten-free. Enjoy your nutritious mornings.